welcome back to Winner Loose Slots. Once again, playing the Midnight Express, guys. We got the hold and spin again. It's gonna be nice to us again. Or is it gonna be a dud? Let's find out. Takes one thing. We got three! Oh my goodness. Not small. Try again. We would like to see some Midnight Express letters. Oh, that's like the smallest one I've seen. Swing and a miss. So we're down to the last minute. Can we please save it? Or this might be the worst bonus we had today. We saved it, guys. We need that Midnight Express, guys. It ain't no money unless you get that Midnight Express. We got one. One player. Oh, we got the Midnight Express again. Oh my god. 3 for 3. Okay. There's multipliers. There's numbers. I want the multiplier, please. Well, $10 is $10, you know? I would prefer to multiply than something else, but you know what? I'm not complaining. I get to play some more. So I'm okay with that. Still a chance to get another Midnight Express train. Let's cross our fingers. Oh, come on now. Last man, please save it. I said please. One more. Oh! 250, not bad. Make a different noise, man. Oh, one more. Oh. Oh, come on, 50 cents. I just want to see it right there. I just want to see it. Ooh. Oh, come on, right there. Last chance. Please save it. Oh, we got it in the last spin. Can we get that grab, please? Here we go. I mean, it's only $17,000. You know? Why not? Last spin, can we save it and get that ground, please? And the game said no, guys. I'm sorry. All right, $24.50. Thanks so much for watching.